Let's face it, you can't out-train a bad diet. If you eat drink you're gonna look like and feel like regardless of what exercise you do. Unless you're some genetic freak, in which case,
get the out!
Therefore, my next tip is ensuring that you focus on your recovery. Because what you do in the gym is important, but what you do outside the gym is even more important. It's where your body rests and recuperates so that it's ready for the next workout you throw at it. It's where you fuel your body for peak performance, and it's where your body makes its adaptations from training to increase and improve your strength, fitness, and physique.
Thanks, Mega Shake!
This all happens in the other 23 hours of your day, not the hour you spent exercising. Therefore, to improve your workouts and to maximize your results, at minimum you should focus on the following 6 areas of recovery. 1. Eat healthy, nutritious meals. 2. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day. 3. Get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. 4. Stretch after your workouts. 5. Avoid strength training the same muscle group 2 days in a row so that it has more time to recover and repair, unless you are following a strength training program designed by an expert. And 6. Have a deload week every 8 to 12 weeks, where you have a lower intensity and lower load week to allow your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and nervous system time to rest and recharge before increasing your training load again after your deload week. If you focus on these 6 basic areas of recovery, you will improve your workouts and results significantly.